Did you know that some of the deepest betrayals happen inside the people we trust the most? Marisol cleaned houses 6 days a week in New Jersey. She sent home $400 every single month to her parents in the Philippines. For 9 years, she trusted her cousin Ramon to deliver every peso. Then her mother mentioned almost casually that Ramon had been giving them only half. For 9 years. Marisol sat with that number alone in her small apartment. She felt the anger rise like fire, but then she prayed, and she thought carefully. Her parents still needed Ramon's help. Cutting him off meant cutting off the only hands close enough to help them. So instead of confronting him with rage, she quietly opened a direct mobile banking account her parents could access themselves. She said nothing to Ramon. She simply removed his power without removing his presence. Within 3 months, her parents had more than they had seen in years. Marisol chose wisdom over revenge, and God honored that patience with something anger never could have built: peace.